lifted above all other gods. Hi guys, it's your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So today I bring you this beautiful sausage roll recipe because Christmas is approaching. So let's go. So in a bowl I add 4 cups of flour. And please note, I'll be listing all the ingredients in the description box so you check it out, okay? So I add some salt to taste, baking powder, and some milk powder. So I'm adding some grated nutmeg and then some brown sugar, which is optional, okay? So we're gonna mix this together so they incorporate into each other. And then we are gonna add our butter or our margarine. So this is about 250 grams margarine. We're gonna egg wash it and then make some incisions on our sausage roll. Then we are gonna bake this in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes under 160 degrees Celsius heat. And voila, just look at that. Beautiful, in it, delicious, mouth-watering, finger-licking, and handy. Sausage roll is the simplest pastry you can make, family. Just follow the step-by-step procedure and you are good to go. If you like this video, why don't you give your girl some thumbs up, like, comment, and please subscribe so we grow together. Thank you and see ya in our next video. Bye family, I love you.